Hi, so our review today is going to be on these Neloodony aroma diffuser lamps that we purchased on Amazon. It says that it changes 8 colors. Came as a 2-pack. We have the instructions and everything ready to see if it works. So here's the diffuser. It just says you twist it off. Plug goes in the bottom. It has your light. Each color brighter until you get to off. You could use it just as a light or as the mister. It says to not overfill with 100 milliliters of water, so we have it at the 100 mark. Pour it in. Go with a little peppermint today. A couple drops in there. And put the cover back on, and we'll turn it on mist. You could use both it with the light. Oh, it does put a lot of scent in the room fast. So this would be a product we would recommend.